Welcome to our tutorial on navigating Mieyar's platform. Enter your registered email address and password to log in. To add a new property, simply click the Add Property button, enter the property name and choose the appropriate category. Next, fill in the property address and pinpoint its location on the map. Now, let's move on to entering your energy and water consumption data. Navigate to the Energy and Water Records tab, click Add Meter, select the meter type, unit, and other necessary details. You have two options for entering your consumption data. First, you can input each bill manually, one at a time. Alternatively, you can import your data using a CSV file. Just download the meter data template, paste your consumption data into the Excel file, and upload it back to the platform. For each bill record, don't forget to upload the bill document for verification. Once your meters are filled in, your data will be visualized as a graph on the dashboard. Next, please ensure you add your operational data on a monthly basis. Then, proceed to fill in the property details. To share a property, head to the Properties page and click the Share button. You can grant access to other Mieyar users with either View Access or Edit Access. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for choosing Mieyar's platform.